Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. If you want to delete a photo that you don't want to keep it more in your Plenty of Fish dating app, then let me show you how. First of all, open your PC and on that PC, go to your web browser. Now, type www.pof.com and hit enter and it will take you to the official website of Plenty of Fish dating app. Now, as you can see in this website, on the top of the web page, my profile. Click on it and click on edit profile. And scroll down a little bit and click on upload photos and scroll down a little bit. As you can see on your photos, I want to delete this second photo. Now click on this trash can logo and wait for a while. Now you have successfully deleted a photo on your Plenty of Fish dating app profile. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.